title, Choose to Speak, Not to Suffer in Silence. Good day, everyone. Let me ask you something. Have you ever smiled in front of your friends, but cried alone at night? Have you ever felt so overwhelmed that you just wanted everything to stop? Many teenagers today silently struggle with depression and anxiety. And while these feelings are real and serious, choosing to keep them hidden, untreated, and ignored can be dangerous. Today, I stand here to persuade you. Do not let depression and anxiety control your life. Do not suffer in silence. Choose to speak. Choose to seek help. Choose to fight. Teenage years are already challenging. We deal with academic pressure, family expectations, social media comparisons, relationship problems, and fear about the future. Sometimes it feels like we are not good enough. We are not smart enough. Not pretty enough. Not successful enough. But here's the truth. Your struggle do not define your worth. Depression is not weakness. Anxiety is not attention seeking. They are mental health conditions that need support, understanding, and sometimes professional help. When we ignore these feelings, they grow stronger. Silence makes them heavier. Isolation makes them darker. And the longer we pretend we are okay, the harder it becomes to ask for help. Some teens think, no one will understand. Others think, I don't want to be a burden. But keeping everything inside does not more harm than good. Talking to someone, a trusted friend, a parent, a teacher, or a counselor can change everything. One conversation can lighten the weight you've been carrying for months. And for those who think giving up is the only solution, it is not. Temporary pain should never lead to permanent decisions. Your life is valuable. Your dreams matter. The world is better with you in it. Instead of choosing self-harm, choose self-care. Instead of isolating yourself, reach out. Instead of believing negative thoughts, challenge them. We also need to change how we treat each other. Stop bullying. Stop judging. Stop making mental health a joke. A simple message saying, "Are you okay?" can save a life. Parents, teachers, and friends, we must create safe spaces where teens feel heard and not criticized, where emotions are validated, not dismissed. To every teenager listening, you are not alone. You are not weak. You are not broken. Depression and anxiety may be part of your story, but they are not the end of it. Choose courage over silence. Choose connection over isolation. Choose hope over hopelessness. Because asking help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of strength. Thank you so much for listening, and may God bless us all.